Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing great, fit and fine. Okay, so in this video we are going to learn a most interesting topic, DOM. So what is DOM and how does DOM work? Step by step I will show you. And also I will show you with drawing exactly how does DOM work. Okay, so DOM means a document object model. So for example, if I give you example, you will understand easily exactly how does DOM work. So when we see anything in our screen or any content or anything else we can see in our screen, this is called DOM. DOM represent any object or anything like when we use API or anything else. DOM represent us. For example, when you change any page or when you change style in the content, so this is the way DOM represent us this content. This is called DOM, and step by step I will show you. I hope you will understand what is DOM and how does it work, and in the interface you will see everything. This also work with DOM. Thank you so much. Okay, so let's go to our editor, then I will show you. Before, okay, so in the DOM, so for read DOM we need HTML because our browser only understand only one thing is called HTML. If you use React, if you use Angular or anything else, you can use, but it's a converting object for understand our document. Okay, so let's create HTML simple structure for understand exactly how does DOM work. So here have a type. Type means HTML type. So this is our HTML type. Our how it will be our document. Our document type will be HTML. There have a HTML tag. In the HTML tag have a header and also a body. All right. There are two to tag. In the and the head tag have a meta tag. All right. Okay. So we don't need these are all the meta tags just for understand DOM. As I only keep only one meta tag. Okay. Okay. Let me change the text. The text will be DOM. Sorry, DOM learning. LARNING. DOM learning. Okay. So in the body, I am going to create a div, and div have a attribute class attribute. It will be just a header. Just a simple name I declare. So I'm going to provide some tracks in the div DOM learning LR and DOM learning LR and the DOM learning on code smooth. All right. SM double O 3 H. Sorry, SM. Okay, fine. And here also one feed tag I'm going to declare in the feed tag for some lorem LORE and lorem of 5. Okay, just for basic structure I declare. Okay, so this is the way there have a type of our document. Our document type is HTML, and there have in the HTML have a two head and body. These are all the called object because our browser when we show our browser only represent only the object. Okay. Okay, for better understand, I'm going to open a browser, then I hope you will understand. So this is the web page, JavaScript web page. This is the history of JavaScript, and there have a lot of information. If you want, you can read every history. It will help you understand what is JavaScript and when JavaScript build up and what is the behind history of JavaScript. Okay, our main aspect is not reading this document. Our main aspect is understand exactly how does this web page work. Okay, so let's go to our inspect this page and go to our console here. I'm going to show you a most interesting thing. Let me console dot log. I am going to console a most interesting object, the window, right? And the W. window. When we console a most interesting object window, and when I open this drop down, here you'll get a lot of information. Just like geo, where I'm from. This is the geo, and also information like redux, redux tongue. A lot of information you'll get in here. All right. Okay. There have also, if I go to below of this information here, you will get one thing is called document. Am I right? Document have a jQuery location and also a body, also bg color, everything you are getting. Am I right? Mm, sorry. Okay. Children, your base URL, everything you were getting. All right. Okay. That's cool. Here also another interesting thing that let me console log also one thing console dot log console. I'm going to console log window, like, and before we console log window, now in the window have also one thing that a document. All right. Okay, let's console the document. In this document, when I open this drop-down menu, this is the called document have HTML. All right, HTML. This is the type of the document type is HTML. There have HTML tag. In HTML have a header and body. Am I right? Okay. Before when I open this drop-down menu here, he also get a document. All right. In this document have only some information like jQuery, base URL like that. All right. Okay. Don't worry, but I think you notice this thing. Okay. Okay. Let me show you exactly. Okay. con. Okay. Console. If you want to get every information what you want, and what is not showing, what is hiding here, everything will be show you. Okay. mm, dot document document3. Now you will get every information. Yeah, right. Okay, this is the thing. This is the way. This is the actually DOM work. Okay. Now I declare in here document. Am I right? The console log have window have a document. Now actually we don't need to declare window.document, because our browser directly will understand exactly what we are trying to get. If I just directly if we use a document, I hope our browser will understand. Okay, let's try. Yeah, our browser will understand. So here is thing happen. This is called browser our document drive HTML. This is the HTML tag. In the HTML tag have a two object is head and body. All right. Okay. This is declare here. I think this is thing happened this here, and also in our editor there have a drive our document tag HTML. In this have a in this they are declare a HTML tag. In this HTML tag have a two object. It's called head and body. Am I right? In the head, declare a title, a meta tag. Also in the body, declare a div and fee tag. Okay, so let's create a diagram. And then I hope you will understand easily exactly how does DOM work. Okay, so let me create a. First of all, we get window. Am I right? Okay, let's create a window. Okay, it will be NDOW window, right? So okay, so in the window we got a document. Am I right? Okay. Document. 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 In the document we get HTML. All right. Okay. Let's create HTML. All right. In this HTML, yeah, you can see there in this HTML have head and body. Okay, that's great. Okay, in this HTML have head, and other one is called body. All right. Okay, so let's create. This one is head, and second is called body. All right. Okay. Body, body, body. All right. Okay. So in the head, what have in the head? Head have one title, title tag, and also the meta tag. All right. Okay. Okay. In the head have two things. First one is, sorry. Mm, Okay. You have one thing is title. All right. title, title. In the title, what have in the title have text. Okay. In the title have some text. T-E-X-T. Text. All right. In the head have also meta tag. Yeah, you can see there. Okay. In the head have also a meta tag. M-E-T-A. Meta tag. But if you look at there, in the meta tag don't have any text. Am I right? They have only a attribute. Okay. Meta tag have only one attribute. A-L-T-R-B-U-2-E attribute. Okay, this is a head or a closed, and there another is body. In the body I have a div, and div also have a class attribute and also have a tracks. And next I have a feed tag, and feed tag in the feed tag I have some text. Okay, that's great. In the body, in the body have okay, in the body have div. Okay, div. In the div have a two things. Div have a one attribute and also text. Okay. Okay, so div have a one attribute. You can create on also the site called ALTRBU3 attribute. All right. Okay. And there is another thing. The div have some text. All right. Okay. text text. And there have also a feed tag, and the feed tag have some text. The body have a feed tag, right? Okay, a little feed tag. The feed tag have some text. Okay, so I think we already declare our diagram easily, right? First of all, our we everything show our in the window, right? In the window browser. In the browser have a document. Document have a HTML. HTML have two object is a head and a body. The head have we can use in anything meta tag and attribute, a title, text, and also have a body. In the body, you can use a lot of things what you want. Okay, this is the way our DOM work in a browser. Okay, and now I am going to show exactly how does DOM manipulation in a browser. Okay. Okay, I hope you will understand everything easily. Okay, here, yeah, this is okay. Let me show you something. This is a head. This is the head. This is the head. All right. Here I have the text. Okay. So now, if I'm going to catch this text, let me show this text. Yeah. In the this is a head. The head absolutely have to be unique. So when we declare a unique thing, then we declare ID. ID have to be unique for every tag. Okay, for every attribute or every tag. So they are declare each one tag in this one. Each one tag declare ID. This ID attribute. Okay, let me edit this attribute and let me copy that. Okay, that's cool. Now I am going to catch. These only on the header. Okay, I already copy this unique ID, all right, or unique attribute. Okay, now let me. So already our browser in the window. Now next window we declare document. Am I right? Okay. In the document, now I want to catch some specific thing. Then I declare uh, get element by ID because I want to catch something by ID. Which ID? Already what I declare and what I copy. Okay, now if I want to get this ID, then yeah, I get this, right? Yeah. Okay. Now if I want to manipulation something else, you can use inner inner HTML. Instead of what you want to change, I want to change only this header, the unique ID. Okay, and here I want to use h1 tag. Okay, so let me closing tag, use the closing tag. This will be h1. Okay, now if I use something in the some note no text note in this h1 tag, what will be happen? Chord smooth smooth. Okay, uh, inner stm. Okay, just let me try. Okay, mm, stm l, okay, double n here in html. Okay, is there any problem? Okay, last let me yeah, now it will work. Okay, now provide any one h1 tag. Okay, let me close this h1 tag. Okay, yeah, now see the code smooth sm as smwth smooth. Yeah, our this main I manipulation this tag. So this is the way our DOM work. If you want to change anything, if you can filter, you can delete, you can add, you can do anything by DOM manipulation easily. So this is the way our DOM work. I hope you understand exactly how the DOM work basic. Just I try to introduce just for basic DOM document object model. I hope you understand also exactly how does DOM manipulation in a browser.